This is the BYTrading platform which you can use to generate something cool. So check to the description. The first thing, tap on the first thing landed here, then you click on sign up here. Then at the sign up page, you enter your valid email address. After successfully entering your valid email address, a verification code will be sent to your email. Make sure you copy the verification code and paste it here. You enter your password and click on sign up to have a successful account. Senior, the online is really printing something for us. Okay, you can see this data I've gotten in my account here. So how did I got this amount? It was just some game that I was playing, so I have to get this. Okay, so you go to home section here, you see the number of games here. Okay, the one that you are interested in is the BTC 228 here. Okay, you click on this one here, then you see here there's numbers that will be going through the BTC signal that you'll be adding them up to get the result, and when you predict and your prediction goes right, you get something cool. Okay, so the numbers here you can see 3 plus 6 plus 1 equal to 10, which is giving a smaller number. Okay, so the numbers they range from 0 to 27. 0 to 13 is smaller numbers, and 14 to 27 is considered to be bigger numbers. Okay, so here it is just by predicting the movement of the BTC signal. Okay, that's the BTC candlestick here, then the result will be summed up here as simple as that. So what you will get as the sum up number is the result. Okay, so you can see here they have the big, small, odd and even here. Okay, so for instance, if you go for small, it means you are predicting that the total outcome of the summation should be between 0 to 13, as simple as that from here. Okay, and when your prediction goes right, from the big, small, odd and even, you get 1.95 times the amount that you used to play on this game. Okay, and also they have the big, odd, small, odd, that's the combo predictions here. That one, it is 3.8 times the amount you used to predict on this particular platform. Okay, and this one, for instance, with the big, or it means you are predicting that the number after the results here should be big number at the same time and odd number. Okay, bear in mind a big number starts from 14 to 27. Okay, so if you predict big, odd, and the outcome here comes as 17 is a big number and at the same time an odd number, so that one you win and get 3.8 times the amount that you used to stake. And here is where you are going to stake the amount here. Okay, or predict with the amount here. Okay, so and here you see the time will be running down, counting down here. They have the 1 minute signal, the 3 minute signal, and that of the 5 minute signal here. Okay, you can see the more you change the signal here or the minute interval, the more the structure of the BTC signal changes. Okay, well, the one we are interested in is the 1 minute signal here. Okay, so here if I want to predict, I have to predict within the specified time here. Okay, so here I want to go for small here and add $100 here, then click on trade here. Okay, click on trade. You need to place your order before the time runs to 10 seconds. Okay, so once it is set, then let's wait for the result here. I went for small here, that means I'm predicting that the run should be between 0 to 13 numbers. Okay, so you can see that when I placed the order, the result that came was 8 plus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 8. So I got a profit of 19.5 added to it, as simple as that. Okay, so that's how this platform you can go by to help you get something cool. And one thing is that you don't have to rush to predict anyhow. That is why their signal group is very effective. So you can see at the video description, the second video is their signal group, which you can join to get a signal from the platform. So here you can see when you click on the signal group, you get the ETH system, BTC 60 seconds. Click on the BTC 60 seconds here and we see the prediction here. Okay, their prediction for the next round, they are saying odd here, they are saying odd. Okay, so here you can see this is what they've been earning so far, giving the results they've won so far here. Okay, there are a lot of results with good results here. Okay, so you earn from here, then you go here, they say odd. Okay, they are saying odd, you go there, then you select the odd from here. Okay, select the odd from here and you enter the amount here, you click on trade. And one thing you need to note is that if you predict and it fails, the next round you need to multiply it by 3. That's 3x prime. This helps to recover the losses for the previous rounds when you win in the current around as simple as that. Okay, so you can as well use this platform to generate something cool on the BTC28 as simple as that. Okay, so now let's wait for the result here. They said odd, and the result that came is 3. 3 is an odd here, and here is where the 3 comes from. Okay, if you want to use this platform to generate something cool, unless you make sure you deposit onto the account here. Okay, so you go to my session here, then you click on top up here, then here you select the amount that you want to use to top up on your account so as to use the platform to generate something cool. The payment method is TRC20 and ERC20. Okay, but I recommend you to select the TRC20, then you select the amount that you want to use to top up so as to play on this particular platform. So if you want 10, you select 10. If you want 20 with it, you select any of them here, then you go ahead to click on top up here. So the address here, you copy the address and go to any crypto exchange platform and make payment through to this TRC address. And after successfully making payment through to this TRC address, you copy your payment address that you use to make payment to this address, or your transaction ID here. Then after successfully making payment to this TRC address, then you click on confirm as simple as that, and you see the amount that you deposit to through this TRC20 address will reflect in your account. Then you go ahead to use the platform here to generate something cool for yourself. And after accumulating cool cash, and if you want to withdraw at the my session, you click on withdraw button here. Then before you do, you need to first bind your bank details. So here you just select your TRC20 address here, then you enter your TRC20 address. Then also you need to make sure that you verify your email address again by clicking on this clock icon here, and a verification code be sent to your email address. Then you go ahead to enter the verification code and confirm to bind your TRC20 address. Then after binding your TRC20 address, you go ahead to withdraw as simple as that. You can see I have 31 USDT I want to withdraw for you to see. So all I have to do is I go to click on the withdraw button here. Then here I enter the amount that I want to withdraw here. Bear in mind there's a fee of $1 on every transaction that you make here. Okay, so I go ahead to click on the withdraw button here, and you see withdraw application submitted successfully, and within some short minutes the 30 USDT has reflected in my Binance account as simple as that from this particular platform. Also, if you want to invite your friends to enjoy on this platform, the invite friends section here, you make sure you copy your invitation link here and send it to your friends to register, and whenever your friend registers through your link, you get commissions for that. And there are other amazing opportunities that you can use to get some bonuses from this particular platform. Okay, so when you go to the news here, you see the list of bonuses that you can participate so as to get for yourself as simple as. And here there's zero risk, real rewards, join the BYTrading here. Okay, daily rebate up to 30% now live here in that order, as you can check through so as to help you get something cool from this particular platform. Okay, and one thing I want you to know is that there's a new trading platform of which you can use to generate something cool. Okay, and most important, make sure you join their signal group so as to get the day-to-day signal of which you can use to generate something cool from this particular platform. And also, as a disclaimer, I disclaim that I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm showing you how I make money through platforms like this. So therefore, I am not responsible for any profit or loss through this particular video. Make sure you do your own research before you use this platform to generate some cool cash. And remember,